What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So as you can see, today we're taking a look at another one of the Unicorn Beetle Pro cases for the S22 Ultra. So obviously on this channel I've already checked out the black version, but I was wanting the ice or the see-through version that they have as well, but for a long time on their website it was sold out. So as soon as they were back in stock, I decided to pick one up, and that's what we have right here today. So pretty much I'm just going to slap it on the phone and kind of get a feel for how it looks and everything. But so far, out of all the cases that I've checked out for the S22 Ultra, when it comes to overall protection, if you want a case that's going to be priority, protection first, I think the Unicorn Beetle Pro is my favorite, and they're affordable as well. So I only paid like what, 26 bucks. So giving you a very high level of protection at an affordable price. So let's go ahead and get this open and slap it on the phone. All right, so here we have the case, as you can see, with that holster on there as well. So if you want to attach it to your belt, your pants, whatever you want, you do have that option. So the thing about this one that I really wanted to check out, with this being more so a protective case, you don't really get the option to have a see-through, version very often. Most of these are going to just be black or some other kind of solid color. So most of the see-through cases are those, TPU, the flexible, really thin covers or cases. But this really caught my eye because it's, like I said, it's a protective case, but it's also see-through. So let's go ahead and take off the belt holster, set that to the side, and then we'll go ahead and separate the front from the back. All right, so we got the front and the back separated. And the thing about these cases, these are always on there really good. So it does take some effort to get them separated. But once you do, you can go ahead and take the front, go ahead and remove this sticker as well. And then you can go ahead and grab the front portion, put it onto the phone like so. And then we can insert it back into the back portion of the case. All right, so we got the case installed on the phone. And as you can see, this is a thicker case. You can see just looking around the perimeter of the phone, how much it extends. So like I said, this is definitely protection first. And it's definitely nice to have a see-through option on a thicker case like this. I think it adds a nice touch, something you don't see very often. And that's what made me want to go ahead and pick this case up. Let's go ahead and take a look at the cameras there. So as usual, you got that nice raised edge there to give you protection. You got your buttons on the side, volume rocker, as well as the power button. Those are still easy to press with no issue. On the bottom, you do have your cutouts as well as a little plug there for your charging port. So that's going to help, keep lint and debris out of your charging port if that's a concern. You got your speaker as well as your S Pen there. S Pen is still easily accessible. And then let's go ahead and take a look at the screen. So you can see you have that nice raised edge there to give you that protection on the top as well as the bottom. So whenever you place your phone flat on a surface, you don't have to worry about your screen getting scratched or damaged. And then you also have that kickstand on the back. So for instance, if you want to prop up your phone to watch a video, all you got to do is stick your finger in there, pull it down like so, lock it into place like that. And then you have a built-in kickstand. So you can just set your phone down like so. You can also rotate it vertically. So you got some flexibility there. And like I said, you can watch a video or a movie or whatever you would like. So that's pretty much the gist of the case. Again, I already checked out the black version, but this just kind of stood out to me looking at it on their website. So I will put the link down in the description. In case you're interested, you can go ahead and click on that and check it out. But again, if you're looking for protection first in terms of, the case that you're looking for, the Unicorn Beetle Pro is an excellent option for the S22 Ultra. So if you found this video to be helpful, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing to the channel. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one.